Have you ever wondered about unconventional investments like gemstones, specifically kunzite? We often think of diamonds, gold, or real estate when we talk about investments, but there's a whole other realm of opportunities out there. Imagine a market with potential yet less competition, one that adds a touch of sparkle to your portfolio. That's right, we're talking about gemstones, and today we're focusing on a particular gem, kunzite. Let's dive into the world of kunzite, an investment you may not have considered. Kunzite, a gemstone with a unique charm, remains relatively unknown to many. But today, allow me to pull back the curtain and introduce you to this rare gemstone. Born from the mineral spodumene, kunzite is a hard, glassy gem that sparkles with a range of pink hues. From delicate pastel pink to intense violet, each kunzite gem is a marvel in its own right. Imagine holding a piece of natural art in your hand, its color shifting as it catches the light. That's the magic of kunzite. This gemstone is pleochroic, which means it can display different colors depending on the angle of observation. From one angle, you might see a soft pastel pink, and from another, a rich, deep violet. It's a visual spectacle that few other gemstones can match. But what's equally fascinating is the story of kunzite's discovery. The gemstone was first unearthed in the early 20th century in California, USA, and it was named after George F. Kunz, a renowned gemologist and the then vice president of Tiffany & Company. Despite its relatively recent discovery, kunzite has quickly made a name for itself in the world of gemstones, earning a place alongside other precious gems like emeralds and diamonds. Over the years, kunzite has also been found in other parts of the world, including Brazil, Afghanistan, and Madagascar. This geographical dispersion adds another layer of intrigue to the kunzite story. It's not just a gemstone, it's a piece of the Earth's history, a testament to the geological processes that have shaped our planet over millions of years. In the world of gemstones, kunzite is a relatively new kid on the block. But don't let its youth fool you. This gemstone's unique charm, combined with its rarity and the fascinating story of its discovery, make it a standout in the world of precious gems. As we delve deeper into the world of kunzite, you'll see why this gemstone is not just a pretty face. Kunzite's rarity and beauty make it a gemstone worth considering. But what makes kunzite valuable? Is it just about its aesthetic appeal? Let's dive into this. Just like diamonds, the value of kunzite is determined by the 4 C's: color, clarity, cut, and carat weight. However, the depth of these factors differs slightly for this gemstone. Firstly, the color of kunzite is of utmost importance. The most sought-after kunzites exhibit an intense pink to violet hue. Lighter shades, while still beautiful, are less valuable. The color is also evaluated based on its consistency. A top-quality kunzite will maintain its stunning color under different lighting conditions. Next, we have clarity. Unlike diamonds, where inclusions can greatly decrease the value, kunzites are typically included stones. This means that it's common for them to have internal features or birthmarks. But don't be discouraged. These inclusions often don't affect the gem's beauty and can sometimes even add to its unique character. The cut of a kunzite is another significant factor. The gem's pleochroism, its ability to display different colors when viewed from different angles, means that it can be quite a challenge to cut. A well-cut kunzite exhibits a near-uniform color, while a poorly cut one may appear washed out or overly dark. The brilliance and sparkle of the gem are also greatly influenced by the quality of its cut. Lastly, the carat weight. Kunzite is a relatively abundant gem, and large specimens are not uncommon. However, as the carat weight increases, so does the value. But remember, a larger, poorly colored kunzite might be less valuable than a smaller, intensely colored one. So it's not just about the aesthetic appeal. The value of kunzite also lies in its rarity. The deep, intense colors are hard to come by. It's about the gemstone's unique properties, like its pleochroism. And it's about the skill and artistry that goes into cutting each gem to showcase its beauty to the fullest. The value of kunzite is more than skin deep. It's a combination of rarity, beauty, and the gemstone's unique properties. Now that we understand the value of kunzite, why should it be on your investment radar, you might ask? Well, there are several reasons, all of which make kunzite a gemstone with impressive potential. Firstly, kunzite's popularity is on the rise. Over the last few years, kunzite has been gaining recognition and appeal among gemstone enthusiasts, collectors, and investors alike. It's not just the stunning pink to violet hues of this gemstone that are attracting attention, but also its rarity and unique optical properties. This increasing popularity translates to a growing market, and a growing market often means growing prices. Speaking of prices, Kunzite's value has been steadily increasing over the past decade. Unlike more well-known gemstones like diamonds, Kunzite is not as readily available, making it more valuable on the market. The demand for this gemstone is growing, but the supply is not, leading to an upward trend in prices. As with any investment, buying at a lower price and selling at a higher one is the name of the game, and Kunzite is proving to be a player worth betting on. The potential for high returns is another compelling reason to consider Kunzite. Given its rising popularity and increasing value, Kunzite has the potential to yield substantial returns on investment. It's important to remember that the gemstone market can be volatile and unpredictable, but with careful research and strategic investing, it's possible to reap significant benefits. Investing in Kunzite also offers the advantage of diversification. As an investor, you know the importance of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio with alternative investments like gemstones can help mitigate risks and potentially increase overall returns. Kunzite, with its unique characteristics and growing market, is an excellent candidate for portfolio diversification. Lastly, it's worth noting that Kunzite is a relatively new gemstone on the market. Discovered in the early 20th century, Kunzite doesn't have the extensive history that other gemstones do. This means that there's still a lot to learn about this gemstone, and its potential for growth and appreciation could be even greater than what we currently know. So, to sum it up, why should Kunzite be on your investment radar? Its rising popularity, increasing value, potential for high returns, and opportunity for portfolio diversification make it a gemstone with significant investment potential. And let's not forget its inherent beauty and rarity, which are sure to continue attracting attention and driving demand. Investing in Kunzite could potentially offer substantial returns, making it a gemstone worth considering. Remember, as with any investment, it's crucial to do thorough research and consider all factors before diving in. But given what we know about Kunzite so far, it's certainly a gemstone that sparkles brightly on the investment horizon. Before you rush off to invest in Kunzite, there are a few key points to remember. First and foremost, understanding the gemstone market is crucial. This market is as multifaceted as the stones it trades, with prices fluctuating based on factors like rarity, quality, and demand. Therefore, it's essential to keep a finger on its pulse, tracking trends and staying informed about the factors that influence prices. Secondly, don't underestimate the value of expert advice. Gemstone investment isn't a game of chance, it's a strategic endeavor that requires knowledge and expertise. Consider seeking counsel from a gemologist or an investment advisor familiar with the gemstone market. Their insight can help you make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Thirdly, remember that investing in Kunzite isn't a guaranteed path to riches. Like all investments, it carries potential risks. The value of Kunzite, like any gemstone, can fluctuate based on market conditions, and there's always the chance that you might not get back what you put in. So, ensure that investing in Kunzite aligns with your overall financial strategy and risk tolerance. Fourthly, consider the longevity of your investment. Kunzite is a relatively recent addition to the gemstone market, and while its popularity has been growing, it's still a newcomer. This means it has the potential for significant growth, but it also might face more volatility than more established gemstones. Finally, remember that the beauty of a gemstone investment, quite literally, is in the eye of the beholder. The aesthetic appeal of Kunzite, with its delightful pink to violet hues, adds a unique dimension to its investment potential. But as with any aesthetic-based investment, tastes can change, and what's in vogue today might not be tomorrow. Investing in Kunzite, like any investment, requires careful consideration and due diligence. But with the right approach, it could be a gem of an investment. So, is Kunzite the gemstone you've been looking to invest in? Let's quickly recap. We've uncovered the allure of Kunzite, its inherent value, and the reasons why it makes a compelling investment. Remember, Kunzite's rarity and aesthetic appeal make it a sought-after gemstone, and its market value is on the rise. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, Kunzite offers a unique investment opportunity that could add some sparkle to your portfolio.